Yo, it's your boy Mike Makes Money. Today, I'm going to talk about Dungeon Swap. And before I talk about Dungeon Swap, I'm at 231 subscribers. So hopefully by the end of this month, I can reach 500. If you want to help me out or you just want to learn how to make money from playing cryptocurrency video games in general, please drop a subscribe. And today, I'm going to talk about Dungeon Swap. I talked about this game before, and because this price definitely crashed, I remember it going to $12 to $2. Right now, I don't know the current prices, but I'll check them. But right now with this game, a lot of people have left, and I understand why, because a lot of people left their money. I lost their money playing this game, mostly just because of the dev team. They really weren't accurately oh, I can't even say the word. Uh, nah, they couldn't. They weren't displaying the prices right, and basically, people were expecting to actually win playing this game, but they were losing more than they were making. So I think that's a lot the main reason why people are leaving, and this cryptocurrency is still going down 13% just today alone, which is just insane. And it was around right here, and I think a lot of people were getting into this game, but once they realized that they were just losing all their money, losing more money than they were actually making, and then also like the currency price was just going down, it's sad to watch. Just definitely sad to watch on Dungeon Swap go this way. I really think that this game might have potential in the future, but they just have so much to fix. And I think that really just shows crypto games that you have to be prepared. Like you just can't make a crypto game out of nowhere and expect for it to be good. Even just looking at the Twitter, I know like the Twitter's been a lot around longer than most other cryptocurrency games in this generation, but usually you look at a sign if this a cryptocurrency game came out just like last month or just last month, it will be like a tall tale sign that they just made this game out of no they just made it as fast as they can. But I do think these developers try to make a good game. It's just that they just did it wrong. Like they didn't show the people how to make money, or just they didn't accurately display the how much money you can make when the win chances of you actually winning the game. So a lot of people were thinking that they were gonna have a high chance at winning, and they just lost. Like person said that they had a 90% chance at winning, and they lost 5 times in a row. Which to any person, it just seems like a scam, and I feel like that's a lot the main reason why people are leaving. And this probably has hurt the reputation of Dungeon Swap definitely, but in the future, hopefully this game comes back. I don't know how long the prices are going to go down, but we'll see once the developers fix their stuff and they fix the game. I think they're going to really have to show how the game works, and really try to incentivize people to start playing. And they just weren't saying anything important. Like people wanted to know why the game wasn't being fixed or what the problem was with the game, but they're not really showing it to the people. And maybe they did talk about it in the Discord server, but no one really focuses on the Discord server for news. They always go to the Twitter because, like, if they talk about it on the Twitter, it shows that they're gonna admit that they have problems, and I feel like that's gonna definitely change the sentiment of this game. If they just talk about it in the Discord server, it probably not gonna get released to the mainstream crypto space. But when they talk about it on their Twitter, everybody's gonna see it, and it's just gonna get more attention, which could definitely change the thought process, or the thought, like the bad reputation that Dungeon Swap has right now. And today I just talked about Dungeon Swap. So hopefully you enjoy this video. It's your boy Matt Makes Money. Peace.